Hi guys, in this video we're going to make a method that accepts a file path and gets the bottom level directory of the file path, or you can call it the containing directory. So here's an example. Here's a full path to a picture. The bottom level directory would be the pictures directory, and that's what would be outputted as a string. So some key points. We're going to split this file path by backslash, and there's going to be 5 elements. The last element will be the file name, and the second last element will be the bottom level directory, and that's what we want to get. So here's the function down here. I'm using full capitals for the keywords. I've also explicitly defined the function name and the function arguments. And I wanted to do this so I could reference the function argument without initializing it in the pseudocode. In this specific pseudocode, I'm using the get keyword instead of declaring and setting variables and objects explicitly. The get keyword is very common in pseudocode. You could either be obtaining something from code or declaring an object or variable and setting. So here I'm getting the folder names split by a backslash, which is just a string array. Here's the start of the if statement. If folder names count is greater than or equal to 2, then, and that just means if it's a valid path that we can split into at least 2 different elements, we're going to get an index, and the index is going to be the folder's names length array, the array length, take away 2. And that's going to get us the second last element in the array, which would be the bottom level directory. After that, if this statement is true, we're going to return the folder names element at index, which would be this first declared variable up here. Otherwise, we'll return an empty string. You can return an empty string or return the initial path. It doesn't really matter. And then I've ended the function. So this is the method right here, the GetContainingDirectory name method. I started off by splitting the path by a single backslash. You have to escape the backslash using a backslash if you're not going to put the @ symbol in front of the string. And then I specified if the split string length is greater than or equal to 2, return split string at index split string length, take away 2. And that just gets the bottom level directory.